Today, welcome to FAC Tech News Special Report. I'm Samsuling, the reporter for today. Today's headline is Code to Reality, Software, Operating System, and Language Translators. In this report, we will explore how they work together to make modern computing possible. Let's begin. Before discussing software types, let's first understand why software and the operating system are essential. Hardware includes physical components like the CPU, memory, and electronic circuits. However, hardware can only understand binary machine code. Software provides instructions written in language like C++ and Python. The operating system and language translator act as the bridge between software and hardware. Language translators convert high-level code into machine code, while the operating system manages system resources so programs run efficiently. In short, software provides the instructions, hardware executes them, and the operating system connects the two. Our first main concept is software classification. Software works with hardware by providing the instruction that control the computer. Because different tasks require different functions, so software is classified into three categories. System software manages hardware and includes operating system and device drivers. Application software helps users perform tasks like browsing the website or editing documents. Utility programs maintain and protect the system with tools like antivirus software and disk printout. For example, when a computer starts, Windows loads first, Chrome is used for browsing, and Windows Defender protects the system in the background. Now let's focus on one of the most important components, the operating system. It performs 5 core functions. The user interface allows users to interact with the computer. Process management controls CPU tasks and multitasking. Memory management allocates RAM efficiently. File management organizes file and control access. Device management enables communication between hardware and the operating system through device drivers. For example, while playing a 3D game, the operating system manages memory, CPU tasks, and graphic driver to keep the game running smoothly. Together, these functions allow multiple programs and devices to operate efficiently at the same time. Without an operating system, users will have to communicate directly with the hardware, making computers much more difficult to use. We now move to another essential component of software development, language translators. A language translator converts high-level programming code into machine code that the CPU can execute. Without language translators, the CPU will not be able to understand programs written by programmers. An assembler translates assembly language directly into machine code, while compilers and interpreters translate high-level programming language like C++ and Python. The two main types are compilers and interpreters. A compiler translates the entire program before execution, producing an executable file for faster performance. Because the program is translated before execution, it can run faster and is suitable for performance-intensive applications such as games. An interpreter translates and executes the program line by line, making testing and debugging easier. For example, Unreal Engine uses compiled C++, while Python is widely used as an interpretive language for rapid development. Let's see how a C++ program becomes an executable application. The process begins with the source code. The preprocessor expands header files and macros. Next, the compiler translates the code into assembly language, and the assembler creates an object file. The linker then combines it with system libraries to produce an executable file. Finally, the operating system loads the program into memory, where the CPU executes it. Before any software can run, the computer must complete the boot process. It begins with pause, where the BIOS or UEFI check the CPU, memory, and storage device. Next, the bootloader loads the operating system kernel into RAM. Finally, the operating system starts system service, loads device drivers, and launches the user interface, allowing the computer to become fully operational. Preparing this video helped me understand that software is much more than the applications we use every day. I now better appreciate how operating system manage hardware resources and how language translator convert programming code into instruction the CPU can execute. This knowledge has strengthened my understanding of software development and will be valuable in my future programming studies. Overall, this topic has given me a clearer understanding of how software, operating system, and language translator work together in every computer system. That concludes today's Tech News Report. Thank you for watching.